Good morning, YouTube friends, and here we are. It's 30 past 6 in the morning, but the good thing is today it's the first day of the sports day of our school where I am currently working. So now I still have time to fertilize our newly planted tomatoes. And again, this liquid fertilizer here, YouTube friends, it is made from fermented fruit and molasses. Actually, this is responsible for fruiting, and our plant still needs nitrogen. So this is just a preliminary liquid for our plants to start thriving. But I'll be harvesting my newly fermented plant juice, in which that is rich in nitrogen, made of different green vegetables, plants, and it is fermented with molasses. So I'll be harvesting it today, and then I'll start fertilizing these tomatoes here with fertilizer that is rich in nitrogen, responsible for boosting their growth, and we'll have it next like 2-3 days after today. So for the time being, we have to use this so that our plants can have some nutrients to absorb. And yeah, I'm in a hurry. My 3 little chicks are still inside the house. I have to bring them outside and put them in the cage, back in the cage, and have to spend my breakfast, prepare myself to go to school. I don't know what time the parade starts, but I need to be sure that I can be there before 8. Otherwise, I'll be late again. It's not a good thing. So there's only one thing. There's only one word that I can tell you if you want to do gardening, YouTube friends. And guess what word is that? Commitment. Yeah, you need to commit your time here regardless how busy you are. Commitment is what your garden needs. If you cannot commit your time, then you'll be just wasting your effort at the beginning. So once you start, it's unstoppable. You have to continue. Okay. The liquid fertilizer that we prepared is enough for these 14 plants. We have 10 right here in the second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are at least 4 more pots to be planted, and I think I'll do it later today. And I put some moringa leaves right here, kind of additional nitrogen to these pots, as we will be planting bell peppers here as well. I don't know if we can do it today. And see, the unwanted vegetation, the weed starts growing again, so it's high time to remove them early, because if you remove them late, then that's big already and it's a lot of work, and yeah, it's very detrimental to your motivation, to your courage to push harder in your commitment to be consistent in your time in the garden. So here we're not just gardening, but we're documenting our every activity here in our garden. So thank you once again, YouTube friends, and we still have a lot of spare seedlings that are awaiting, and I'll be starting my planting, moving them out to the current location, I think beginning next week. So thank you once again. Have a nice day. Bye.